Sulfur powder is a highly versatile and essential chemical element used across various industries, from agriculture to pharmaceuticals and industrial manufacturing. In agriculture, it plays a crucial role as a natural fungicide and pesticide, protecting crops from fungal infections and pests while also improving soil health by regulating pH levels. Its ability to enhance plant growth makes it an important component in fertilizers, particularly for sulfur-deficient soils. Beyond farming, sulfur powder is widely used in the rubber and tire industry for vulcanization, a process that strengthens rubber and enhances its durability. Additionally, it is an essential ingredient in the production of sulfuric acid, one of the most widely used industrial chemicals, vital for refining petroleum, processing ores, and manufacturing batteries, detergents, and pharmaceuticals. In the medical and cosmetic industries, sulfur powder has long been valued for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a key ingredient in skincare treatments for acne, eczema, and other dermatological conditions. Its presence in pharmaceuticals extends to the synthesis of antibiotics and other medicinal compounds. In industrial applications, sulfur powder is employed in the manufacture of matches, fireworks, and gunpowder due to its combustible nature. It is also used in water treatment processes, helping to remove impurities and neutralize harmful substances. As an eco-friendly and naturally occurring mineral, sulfur powder continues to be indispensable in advancing modern technology, sustainable agriculture, and various chemical processes that drive industry and innovation worldwide.